Are space explorers hiding secrets we've never imagined? From science fiction to real-life discoveries, space travelers, often called Spacemans, have fascinated humanity for generations. But beyond the Hollywood myths and futuristic portrayals, what do we actually know about them? In this video, we're uncovering 10 mind-blowing facts about Spacemans that will change the way you see space travel forever. 1. Astronauts grow taller in space. Did you know that Spacemans can grow up to 2 inches taller while floating in microgravity? Without Earth's gravity compressing the spine, their vertebrae expand, though they return to their normal height once back on Earth. 2. Space travel alters your DNA. Long-term exposure to space radiation and microgravity can actually change the genes of astronauts. NASA's twin study revealed that Scott Kelly's DNA changed after a year in space, proving that extended space missions could have permanent effects on the human body. 3. Moon dust is dangerous. While moon dust looks harmless, it's sharp, electrostatically charged, and can damage astronauts' lungs if inhaled. The Apollo crew found it clinging to their suits and causing irritation. NASA is now researching ways to protect future explorers. 4. Space smells like burnt metal. Ever wondered what space smells like? According to astronauts, outer space has a distinct scent similar to burnt steak, welding fumes, and hot metal. This unusual smell is caused by reactive particles and gases outside the spacecraft. 5. Astronauts can't cry normally. Tears don't fall in space, they just form bubbles around the eyes. Without gravity to pull them downward, astronauts have to wipe them away manually. So next time you feel emotional, imagine dealing with floating teardrops in microgravity. 6. Space travel can weaken muscles and bones. Astronauts lose up to 20% of their muscle mass and bone density after months in space. Without gravity to keep their bodies strong, they exercise for hours every day to prevent long-term deterioration. 7. NASA once sent a pizza to space. Believe it or not, astronauts crave comfort food, so NASA teamed up with food engineers to send a fully assembled pizza to the ISS. It wasn't exactly fresh out of the oven, but for spacemen it was a slice of earthly joy. 8. The first space traveler was a dog. Before humans ventured beyond Earth, animals paved the way. Laika, a Soviet dog, was the first living being sent into orbit in 1957 aboard Sputnik 2. Though her journey was tragic, she remains a symbol of early space exploration. 9. Space can change your voice. With lower air pressure and altered breathing patterns, astronauts sound slightly different in space. Their voices become a bit deeper and slower, making radio transmissions sound odd. Space suits take hours to put on. A full NASA space suit isn't just a cool outfit, it's a $12 million survival system. It takes over 3 hours to put on, ensuring that astronauts stay safe from extreme temperatures, radiation, and vacuum exposure. And here's the big question. Could you handle life as a spaceman? Would zero gravity, space smells, and floating tears freak you out, or would you love the adventure? Smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts.